Okay, fire up your heart, children of God. Heather, take the nighttime walk. Chickens and turkeys are set up. And then we X'd out. You didn't get to hear the screaming. It's so hot and humid. This is a super duper short walk. They're already panting. So here we go. Here we go. Yo. No. Let's go. Avoid the turkey poop. Avoid the turkey poop. Yo. There's a thuja. I mean, it's approximations, at least 50 years or more older. Same for over there. Lots of frogs here. Just saw one over there. I hope this works. It's like super humid. I mean, to me it is, you know what I mean? So it looks like they're being good. We're gonna let me go through first. And I'm gonna see the froggy. Froggy. Yep. Let's see if any flowers popped up. So I know this isn't sugar cane, but the little pods have like, it's like little, it looks like little crystal, like sugars. It's really sweet too. I didn't die. Don't do it at home. Don't do it at home. So I was gonna say, let's see if any other flowers popped up. These little spots I made. It's Poe. It's not mud, but they have spots in their fur. And they come out more if they're in the sun. You guys, there's not a spit of wind. There was a little breeze earlier today. Ooh, they're pulling. Oh, but nothing. It's just humid swamp heat. Oh my lord. Enough to make you a grumpy person. This was all mostly dirt. There was barely any grass coming up. I let it grow up and then I cut it. It's looking really pretty. And I got the little lanes and stuff. Watermelons at a standstill. Nope. I cut more of it down. Still really bumpy. So we're going to take one loop around the yard. Call it a day. Oh, there's a bug on the screen. I'll go up one of the lanes I made here. It's getting dark quick. So you can't even barely see the house right now. See? So it's silly that we got the hate letter and stuff. Okay, let's go. Let's move along. Right, they always eat grass with homes, and I know that people say that's bad, but if a dog is puking a lot and stuff, then that's bad. But dogs that are just, generally healthy and they like to eat grass, it's got chlorophyll and other vitamins. It was just something they learned to do with homes, and it's just how these fruitcakes are. So it's made all these different lanes in the grass, and it's coming back. They're pulling really hard. Must have like a bunny or something. A bunny. I know there's bunnies out here. Yeah, a lot of traffic came through, and now they have their slate on, so I'm gonna go in now. You ready?